Hello students, welcome back in a new session.
In this session, we will discuss various operators which are used in Python. So today we will discuss arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operators on given data. So let's discuss different type of arithmetic operators. So these are some arithmetic operators: addition, that represents with plus sign; subtraction, which is represented with minus sign; multiplication with asterisk sign; division is slash; flow division is like double slash; modulation is percent; and power is double star. So let's take an example in a real environment. So this is the real environment, and we use different operators here, like 10 plus 20, we got the resultant value 30. Here we are using plus operator. Likewise, 10 minus 2 minus subtraction operator, 2 multiplication 10, multiplication 10, 10 division 2, 5 point, 10 flow division 2, that is 5. So this is the difference between division and flow division. Division gives us the float value and flow division gives us the integer value. 10 modulus 2 gives us 0 and 10 power of 2, that is 100. So these all are the some real-time environment examples of arithmetic operators. So that's all about the arithmetic operations. So perform all these operations in a real environment. Thank you.
I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.